Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create a marble planet sort of effect on Adobe Photoshop. So go to filter and go to, let's see, where is it, render, and select clouds. Oh, oops, first create a new layer, I forgot about that. Filter and then render and then select clouds, and then oh, I don't know why this is in pink. Hold on, let me do that again. Then you're going to go to filter, blur, and then select Gaussian blur and select OK. Then you're just going to go to filter and you're going to go to distort and select wave. And you're going to have it like this once you've adjusted the amplitude and stuff. This one's kind of random because it's like according to like the size. Then select OK. Then go to filter and then go to liquify. And then you're just going to sort of play around with it. This is also totally up to you, like how you want the patterns to be. So I'm just going to kind of swirl it around a little bit, but this is completely up to you. It's going to be random anyways. It's not going to be the exact same kind of pattern. And then I'm just going to adjust the edges a little bit. And then I'm going to swirl it a little bit more. Then I'm just going to select OK. I'm going to go to filter again to liquify it one more time. Oh, oops. I selected the wrong one, sorry. Then select this one over here and make sure your density and rate is at its highest. And I'm also going to change the brush size to create a kind of like planet here. So just like click on it and like hold it. And then I'm just going to change the size again. Oops, that was a little bit too small. And have one here. And then I'm going to have another one here. Oops, maybe not there. Let's just adjust the size a little bit, like so, and have this one here. And once you're done with like your planets, you're just going to select OK. Then you're going to use this to select your planet. It doesn't have to be exact, but hopefully like so. And then another one. And then also another one right here. I'm just going to copy and paste that and delete this layer and also this one. I don't know why it's here. And I'm also going to move it a little bit like so. Then I'm going to add in a gradient here. And I'm also going to change the color of the planet. Let's see, do I want it to be pink? Oh, can't really see this one. Let's see, maybe this one. And I'm going to merge it down so the background isn't visible. And I'm just going to Oops. Now I'm just going to add in some stars using like just an image. So once you already have that, make sure you choose the lighten one. And you can also just the opacity just a little bit so it's not too bright. And there you have it, marbled planets. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!